A cross B. If A is the same vector, A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap, B is B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap, then A cross B will be represented by a determinant. You will be learning it later. Abhi aap seekh lijiye. I, J, K. I will tell you how to open this determinant. What is the meaning of this? Now, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. How do we open this determinant? This is called a determinant. A cross B will be equal to, now when you are opening up for this, चलो I cap. Suppose मैं इसके लिए ओपन कर रहा हूं, तो आप क्या करेंगे? इस रो को, इस कॉलम को भूल जाओ. अब बचा क्या? ये. और आप क्या लिखेंगे? This into this minus this into this. So you will write this is equal to I cap into A2 B3 minus B2 A3. अब नेक्स्ट टर्म के लिए आप माइनस लगाएंगे, सेकेंड टर्म के लिए J कैप, और ये डिटर्मिनेंट्स में मैथ्स में आपको सिखाया जाएगा बाद में. J कैप इनटू इस रो को गायब और इस कॉलम को गायब. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज लेफ्ट.
A1 B3 and
minus
A3 B.
A3B1.
Yes, perfect. Now plus K cap into, क्विकली बताएंगे आप.
A1 B2
A1 B2 minus
B2B1.
This is A cross B. This is how it is defined. Please note it down. You will get to know more about it later. I have introduced you to dot product and cross product. If I have a vector
So
A,
using right hand thumb rule.
yes, and I have another vector B. So to use that rule, you have to first place their tails together. I told you that. What is the meaning of angle between the two vectors? When will you define the angle between the two vectors? When their tails are placed together, then the smaller angle which the vectors will make with each other, not this angle, not this angle. Smaller angle which the vectors make with each other when their tails are placed together is called the angle between the two vectors. Please remember this also, ये बड़ा important है. Angle between the two vectors A and B.
So, sir, according to this, theta cannot be above than 180. Right,
Yes.
because then the other angle would become the smaller one.
Yes. Good. Now, A cross B is defined as A, turn it towards B, and your thumb will represent the direction of A cross B. Your thumb will be perpendicular to, if you curl your fingers from A towards B through the smaller angle, your thumb will represent a direction into the plane of the board, which we will show with an arrow like this. If you do B cross A cross B into the board, B cross A will be how? Turn B towards A through smaller angle. Now you will be turning it like this for B cross A. If you curl your fingers like this, your thumb will be coming out of the plane. And to show that direction, you will say it is like this, an arrow coming out of the plane. Now, can I say A cross B will be equal to minus B cross A? Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They both have opposite direction. Magnitude remains the same. For both, magnitude will be magnitude A, magnitude B, sine theta. If you have A and B, and you find A cross B. So this is a very important thing. A cross B will be perpendicular to, please note it down, A cross B will be perpendicular to the plane of A and B. Plane of A and B. Right now, these two vectors are lying in the plane of this board. So now there are only two possible directions for A cross B. One is into the plane. Into the plane.
Yes, sir. It
The
will be in
other
the
is
Z
outside the plane. So yes, that I agree. It will be perpendicular to the plane of A and B. So there
Sir,
are
so will it
there are a lot of questions where you will be using all these properties.